Measuring is so important when it comes to getting that right height for your light fixture, especially in the dining room. And someone who knows a lot about measuring when it comes to windows and doors is Tat Granata from FHIA. Let's see what he has for us today.
Add me to the list now of people that have had a bad experience, a horrible experience, and it's something that I would never think it would happen to me. The generator company went out of business on us in the middle of the process and took our down payment, and I put my confidence in the wrong company's hands, and now I feel like a lot of folks out there where to go and what we should do. We wanted to get a generator for our house, so didn't think anything of it. My wife and I didn't want a lot of different contractors coming into the house exposing me and our family to a potential virus. So it was referred to by a worker of ours that's been a friend of mine for several years. So I said, just have them come out and we'll get it taken care of. The gentleman came out, didn't do any research on the company, just gave a down payment to get this generator done, and we got everything prepared for the generator to come in. We went into a contract with the gas company to prepare all the lines for the house and spent a lot of money to get it all ran to the right side of the house for the generator to be there. And the gas company tore up the yard, did everything that they could do, and they were just waiting on the generator company to close out the permit and get everything completed. And the generator company went out of business on us in the middle of the process and took our down payment, and we don't have anything completed. So we're left with a torn up yard, an open permit, and no generator, out money. So it's no different now than it has been before. We were always going to hear from friends and family that they have a contractor that they would recommend to us, but now more than ever, make sure you do your own homework and make sure you're going with a contractor that is reliable and financially stable to overcome some of the variables and the things that we can't control that are happening right now, so that you are better protected in doing your home improvement project. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.